Every day, shoppers visit your Shopify store. They browse your products, they compare different options, they find something they like, but most of them don't buy on their first visit. They think, I'll come back later. Unfortunately, many never do. Without a simple way to save the products they like, shoppers forget your store and valuable sales are lost. That's where WC Wishlist Club comes in. It gives your customers an easy way to save their favorite products with just one click so they can come back whenever they're ready to buy. A simple wishlist button can make a big difference. They can even save products directly from their shopping cart instead of removing them. Instead of losing interested shoppers, you're capturing buying intent and creating more opportunities for repeat visits and future purchases. The result? More returning customers and up to 2 times higher conversions. Customers can create unlimited wish lists, organize their favorite products, share wish lists with friends and family, and access everything from one beautiful wish list page. Whether they're shopping as a guest or a registered customer, their shopping experience stays smooth and effortless. You can also recommend related products on the wish list and product pages, making it easy to upsell complementary items, increase your average order value, and help customers discover even more products they'll love. Waiting for a better deal? Our price drop alerts automatically notify customers when wishlist products go on sale, bringing them back at the perfect time to buy. And that's not all. Imagine a customer finds the perfect product, but it's out of stock. Normally, they leave your store and buy it somewhere else. With back-in-stock alerts, that doesn't have to happen. Customers simply click Notify Me, enter their email address, and we'll do the rest. The moment the product is available again, they automatically receive a back-in-stock email and return to complete their purchase. Keep your customers engaged with powerful email automation. Send wishlist reminders, back-in-stock alerts, and price drop notifications automatically, helping you recover more sales without any manual work. Make every part of the wishlist match your brand. Customize buttons, icons, colors, text, layouts, and notifications, all without writing a single line of code. Want to know what your customers really want? Built-in analytics help you discover your most wish-listed products, understand customer interests, and make smarter merchandising decisions. WC Wishlist Club also works seamlessly with the tools you already use. Easily integrate with leading Shopify apps and marketing platforms to automate workflows, engage customers, and grow your business. Built for Shopify, WC Wishlist Club is fast, reliable, easy to set up, and supports multiple languages, making it perfect for stores selling around the world. And whenever you need help, our dedicated support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Trusted by leading Shopify brands, WC Wishlist Club helps merchants turn shopper interest into real sales, because every saved product is a future opportunity. Every reminder is another chance to bring customers back, and every returning customer is another step toward growing your business. Start turning more visitors into loyal customers with WC Wishlist Club.